10 Simple Free Seed Stitch Beanie Knitting Patterns. This free knitting pattern helps new knitters make a simple hat. It uses the seed stitch, which is easy to learn. This free knitting pattern helps you make a seed stitch hat for winter. This knitting pattern teaches you how to make a soft and cozy hat using a stitch called seed stitch. The hat has a nice feel and look, making it a great choice for a cozy accessory. The pattern is good for beginners who know how to use circular needles. The cable and seed stitches create a unique texture for this beanie hat. This free pattern teaches you to make a stylish knit hat using the seed stitch. This project is fun to make and results in a textured hat. This knitting pattern shows you how to make a beautiful seed stitch knit hat. This free knitting pattern shows you how to make a cozy seed stitch beanie. Find all these patterns and more on thenitcrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.